Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. My name's Ben. Today we are cooking some steaks. Prime grade New York strip. Just gotta make them into steaks. First thing we gotta do, we gotta square this up, then cut it into steaks, and then we trim the fat off. So first thing, do this side to side. I like to go about 2 fingers plus a little bit. So there you have it. Some prime grade New York strips. Got a couple thin ones, some thicker ones. Now we'll vacuum seal these. I only need 2 of them for today. The rest will go in the freezer for later use. It's way cheaper to buy a whole loin, trim it yourself, plus 2. Got a whole bucket of trimmings. Buy a chuck roast or just a brisket flat, trim that up, put that in here with the fat. There's a lot of fat in this. Perfect burgers, perfect. Other steaks, got them all vacuum sealed, ready to go into the fridge and freezer. These we're going to season: salt, pepper, thyme, rosemary. Place them in a vacuum bag. We're going to sous vide them. When they're done sous videing after 2.5–3 hours, we will pan sear them with some garlic, thyme, rosemary, a little bit of butter. It's going to be good. Hit them up with a little salt. Pepper, granulated garlic, thyme, rosemary, let's do the other side. Put it off to the side, that's got to get cleaned. We'll use the board to mop this up, or mop up the board with the steak. Let's get them into a vacuum bag and get the sous vide ready. With the sealing surface rolled, we'll place the bigger steak. This is more on the sirloin end of the strip. It's a well steak, they call it. The longer, narrower one, that one will go on, or in last. That one is the typical looking strip steak towards the other end of the loin. Been 3 hours. Steaks are done. We're going to pull them out of the sous vide bath. We'll sear them in a pan. We're going to do thyme, rosemary, garlic, and butter. First, we're going to put avocado oil in the pan to heat up. Avocado oil has a 500-degree smoke point. The butter in there does not, but when you mix the two together, it will raise the smoke point of the butter so it won't burn. Let's get the steaks ready. And steaks are out. Pat these dry. Get the pan ready to sear them. Pan is ripping hot. Now it's time to sear these steaks. Steaks are done, just finished searing them. Now it's time to cut in. Take a look at these beautiful things. See, you wanna... Let's give it a shot. Let's try one of these out. I'll go for this one right here. Crust, all sides. This is the best thing in the world right here. Perfectly cooked steak, seasoned well, prime grade, perfect fat to meat ratio. It's nice and tender. All right, that's it. We bought a whole loin, trimmed it down, got 13 steaks out of it, some ground beef. Sous vide those 2 steaks for about 3 hours. Then we pan-seared them. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out in the future. Appreciate the support. See ya.